Welcome to Medha. December 2025 CMA Foundation Fundamentals of Business Mathematics key andi. The mean proportional between 1.4 grams and 5.6 grams is another, that is B square is equal to AC. The given two conditions are A and C icharu, that is 1.4 grams into 5.6 grams B square, then B is equal to 2.8 grams. So mean proportional between these two is 2.8 grams. And next second question, the ninth term of AP annaru. So ninth term of AP, that is T9 is equal to A plus 8D. A is the first term and D is the common difference. Minus 2 plus 8 into common difference is minus 3, which is minus 2 minus 24 minus 26, option D. Question number 3, the first and common ratio of a geometric progression is 4 and 1 by 2. So first term of GP is 4 icharu and common ratio is 1 by 2 icharu. What is the fifth term of GP? That is T5 is equal to A into R power 4. A is 4 and R is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole power 4, which is 4 into 1 by 16, 1 by 4. So fifth term of GP is 1 by 4, option B. Next question number 4. Find the sum of 10 terms of the series annaru. So the given series in arithmetic progression andi common difference same undi. So first term is 2 and the common difference is 2. Then S10 is equal to n by 2 of Sn is nothing but n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, in which S10 adigaru manalni. So 10 by 2 of a is the first term, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, common difference is 2 andi, in which 5 into 4 plus 18 is 22. 5 into 22 is 110. Sum of 10 terms of a series is 110. Question number 4. Next question number 5. The sum of money is doubled in 5 years at simple rate of interest. What is the rate of interest annaru? So sum is doubled in 5 years annaru. 1 lakh becomes 2 lakhs in 5 years at what rate of interest? That is R is equal to 100 of x minus 1 by t andi. X is nothing but multiple number of principal. So principal double అయింది అన్నారు కాబట్టి that is 100 of 2 minus 1 by time is 5 years. 100 by 5, 100 by 5 is 20%. So rate of interest is 20% per annum. And next question number 6, 3 power x is equal 1 by 243. So ఇక్కడ 243 లీస్ట్ బేస్ 3లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. 3 power x is equal to 1 by 3 to the power of 5. 3 power x is equal to 3 power minus 5. As bases are equal, therefore exponents are equal. X is equal to minus 5. Next option, question number 6, 7. 10 power x equal to 1000 power y equal to 100 power y equal to 1000 power z. So 10 power x, 10 power 2y, 10 power 3z are equal. So ఈ కండిషన్ నుంచి బేసెస్ అన్ని ఈక్వల్ చేసేసాను. సో x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z అండి. x equal to twice the y is equal to thrice the z ఇచ్చారు. What is x is to y is to z? So finally x is to y is to z is equal to 1 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 అండి. 2 and 3 LCM 6 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి బేసెస్ అన్ని, సో డినామినేటర్స్ అన్ని ఈక్వల్ చేస్తున్నాం. LCM 6, that is 6 is to 3 is to 2. 6 is to 3 is to 2, option D. Question number 8. log 144 is equal to అన్నారు. నేను ఆప్షన్స్ నుంచి వెరిఫై చేస్తున్నాను. దీన్ని log 4 square అని రాయొచ్చు. log 4 square is 16 and log 2 power 2 is 4. 16 into 4 is 64. log 64 is not equal to log 144, option A కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్ Bలో వచ్చేసి 2 power 3, that is log 8. log 8 plus log 81. This is also not equal to log 144 అండి. So 8 into 81 is 648, which is not equal to 144. Next option C, log 2 power 4. log 2 power 4 is 16 and log 3 square is 9. log 16 plus log 9 is log A plus log B is log AB. So log 16 9 is 144. So option C is the right one. Next one, 2 factorial value is 2 and 3 factorial value is 3 and the product of first 3 natural numbers, that is 3 into 2 into 1 is 6, into 0 factorial is 1, 8 into 1 is 8. Option D. Question number 10. In how many ways 5 numbers can be selected for a committee out of 11 members of a club where a particular member will always exist in the committee. So without any condition 11 members నుంచి 5 members select చేయాలి అంటే without any condition, that is 11C5. with no condition and condition ఏమీ లేకుండా ఉంటే, బట్ దెర్ ఈజ్ ఏ కండిషన్, 1 పర్సన్ కంపల్సరీ కమిటీలో ఉండాలి అన్నారు. మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేయాల్సిన 5 మెంబర్స్లో ఒక పర్సన్ ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయారు, ఇంకా 4 మెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈజ్ 11 - 1C 5 - 1 విచ్ ఈస్ 10C4 అండి. 10C4 ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 10 factorial by 10 - 4 factorial అంటే 6 factorial and 4 factorial. So this can be, so 10 factorial, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 6 factorial and 6 factorial gets cancelled, 4 factorial is 24, this is equal to 210 and 210. Next question number 11, the number of proper subsets of a set AEIOU, there are 5 elements in the set, number of subsets వచ్చి 2 power n, but number of this is subsets and number of proper subsets అడిగారు. proper subsets is equal to 2 power n minus 1, there are 5 elements, that is 2 power 5 minus 1, 32 minus 1, 31. Option B. Next question number 12. For the function y is equal to x cube minus 3x, the value of x at which dy by dx is 0 ఇచ్చారు. y నుండి dy by dx క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి, అది 0కి ఈక్వల్ చేసి x అని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారు. సో y is equal to x cube minus 3x అయితే then dy by dx is nothing but 3 into x square, and x cube derivation is 3x square, 3xకి 3. సో గివెన్ దట్ dy by dx ఈజ్ 0 అన్నారు. 3x square minus 3 equal to 0, 3 has common, x square minus 1 equal to 0, x square minus 1 equal to 0, x square equal to 1, and x is plus or minus 1. Option A. Next question number 13, 9p r is equal 504, the value of r is అన్నారు. సో వీ కెన్ వెరిఫై ఆప్షన్స్ అండి. 9p 4, r వాల్యూ నేను 4 తీసుకున్నాను. 9p 4 వాల్యూ 504 ఆర్ నాట్ చెక్ చేస్తే 9 factorial by 9 minus 4 అంటే 5 factorial which is not equal to 504. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్ బి అండి, 9p 3 is equal to 504, this is not equal. So 9p 3 is nothing but 9 factorial by 9 minus 3 అంటే 6 factorial, 504. This is 9 into 8 into 7, 504 is equal to 504 and 504 and 504. Option B. Next question number 14, the present value of an annuity of 1000 received annually for 4 years at a discount rate of 5% approximately. So present value of annuity అడిగారు, installment is 1000 rupees ఇచ్చారు. So present value of annuity is equal to a into 1 minus 1 plus i whole power minus n by i. Here installment is 1000 rupees, 1 minus rate of interest is 5%, that is 1.05 whole power minus 4 by 0.05. దట్ ఈస్ 1.05ని మీరు క్యాల్కులేటర్లో 4 times ఇంటూ చేసిన తర్వాత డివైడెడ్ బై ఈక్వల్ అండి. దట్ ఈస్ 1 point ఆపరేషన్స్ వచ్చి 1.05 ఇంటూ ఈక్వల్ 4 times అండ్ డివైడెడ్ బై ఈక్వల్ అండ్ అగైన్ -1 ఈక్వల్ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఇంటూ 1000 అగైన్ డివైడెడ్ బై 0.05, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రూపీస్ 3545 అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ అండి, 3546 వస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ 3545, 3545. Next question number 15, if the roots of a quadratic equation are 2 and -3, then what is the equation అన్నారు. సో ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచే డైరెక్ట్ వెరిఫై చేద్దాం రూట్స్ని. ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ 2 terms 0 అయింది అంటే దట్ ఈజ్ x is equal to either -2 and x plus 3 0 అయింది కాబట్టి దట్ ఈజ్ x is equal to -3. -2 -3 రూట్స్ కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ అండి, దట్ ఈజ్ x is equal to 2 and x plus 3 equal to 0 అయితే x is equal to -3. Option B is the right one. And next question number 16, the cost function of a perfect competitive firm is C of x. ఇక్కడ కాస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇచ్చారు అండ్ ద లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ అవుట్పుట్ నెక్స్ట్తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేసేది ద మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఈజ్ 7 per unit ఇచ్చారు. సో సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ 17 ఇచ్చారు అండ్ ఫైండ్ ద ప్రాఫిట్ మ్యాక్సిమైజింగ్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫర్మ్ అని అడిగారు. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కాస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది, నేను రెవెన్యూ ఫంక్షన్ రాస్తున్నాను, దట్ ఈజ్ సెల్లింగ్ ఎట్ ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ 17 per unit. సో p ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ద ఫార్మ్ అండి. p అంటే ప్రైస్, సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ పర్ యూనిట్ అండ్ x ఈజ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూనిట్స్ 17x. సో మనల్ని అడిగింది ప్రాఫిట్ ఫంక్షన్ కాబట్టి దట్ ఈస్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు r of x minus c of x. r of x minus c of x, 17x minus x square minus 5x minus 5. Finally, it is 12x minus x square minus 5. This is the profit function. But adigin enti ante profit maximizing output of the firm అని అడిగారు. So this is p of x. Calculate p dash of x and that is dp by dx. So finally it is 12 minus 2x minus 0. So equating this p dash of x is equal to 0, in which 12 minus 2x is equal to 0, 12 is equal to 2x, x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 units. Next, the value of log 75 by 16 minus log 25 by 81 plus log 32 by 243. So we can observe this log a minus log b plus log c అండి. సో ఇవి రెండింటిని డైరెక్ట్గా మొత్తాన్ని సింగిల్ లాగరిథంలో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. 75 by 16 ఇంటూ 32 by 243 by this is 25 by 81. 25 by 81. Finally, it is log 75 by 16 into 32 by 243 into this one in the numerator 81 by 25. So in the calculator direct ga meer 16 into 243 calculator operations vachi 16 into 243 into 25 divided by equal 75 into 32 into and again 81, which is equal to 2 vastadandi log 2. So finally it is a log 2. Next, x varies inversely with the sum of y and z. Inversely అన్నారు, x is inversely proportional to, that is k of 1 by y plus z, ఇది వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్. సో x is equal to ఏమని రాయొచ్చు అంటే k by y plus z. సో x వాల్యూ 4 ఇచ్చారు అండ్ k by y is 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 is 8. ఫైనల్లీ k is equal to 8 4s 32. k వాల్యూ 32 అయింది. బట్ మనల్ని అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే దట్ ఈస్ x is equal to 32 by y plus z is the given condition in which y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 8. Find the z value అన్నారు. 8 is equal to 32 by 3 plus z. So 3 plus z is equal to 32 by 8 అండి, which is 4. z is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. Option A. Next question number 19. f of x is equal to ax plus b, f of minus 1 is 3 ఇచ్చారు and also f of 1 is 5, then find f of 2. So from this condition f of minus 1 3 ఇచ్చారు కదా, minus a plus b is equal to 3 for this and f of 1 is 5 అండి, x place లో 1, that is a plus b is equal to 5. So these are the two simultaneous equations. By solving these two, a eliminate అవుతుంది, that is 2b is equal to 8, b is equal to 4. So b value 4 వచ్చింది. So substitute b value here. Minus a plus 4 is equal to 3. Minus a is equal to 3 minus 4, a is equal to 1 and minus a is equal to minus 1, a is equal to 1. But అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే f of 2 అడిగారు. f of 2 is nothing but 2a plus b. Here a value is 1 and b value is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6. f of 2 value is 6. And next question number 20. A bike rider and a cycle rider travel from a city A to B. The time taken by the cycle rider and is the double the time taken by the bike rider. So ikkada bike rider and cycle rider. So ee rendu conditions nunchi time taken by the cycle rider is double the time taken by the bike rider. So bike rider తీసుకున్న టైం x అయితే cycle rider వచ్చేసి 2x అవుతుంది. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ వెలాసిటీస్ ఆఫ్ బైక్ అండ్ సైకిల్. సో వెలాసిటీస్ గురించి అడిగారు, వెలాసిటీస్ రేషియో అడిగారు, ద రేషియో బిట్వీన్ వెలాసిటీస్. సో వెలాసిటీ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైమ్ అండి, టైమ్ టేకన్ బై ద బైక్ రైడర్ అండ్ డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైమ్ టేకన్ బై ద సైకిల్ రైడర్. సో ఇయర్ ఏ టు బి డిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ సేమ్, రెండు చోట్ల డిస్టెన్స్ సేమే కాబట్టి d by x ఈజ్ టు d by 2x. సో x and x gets cancelled, d and d gets cancelled, that is 1 is to 1 by 2. 1 is to 1 by 2 is 2 is to 1. Option B is the right one.
Welcome to Sri Medha. In this session, we are going to discuss CMA Foundation Statistics question paper with solutions and 100% correct key. Okay, so in bit number 21, Bit number 21 is related to pie diagram. A pie diagram is used to represent the following data. They given one statistical data, different 4 sources are given, and those 4 sources revenues are given. What is the central angle for the corresponding to source C? Sir, in pie diagram, for calculating central angle, the formula is individual component value divided by total value into 360. This is the formula for central angle in pie diagram. So here we calculate central angle for the component C. So component C, individual component value 240 divided by its total is 720 into 360. So 240 divided by 720 into 360, then we get 120 and so pie diagram lo central angle formula entante individual component value divided by its total value into 360. A formula apply chesi manam that third component C component central angles calculate cheste that value we got 120 and so correct option is B. Next, bit number 22. Which part of statistical table contains the observed value? So observed values means actual values or numerical values. The numerical values are there in main part of the table. Table lo manaki numerical values ekkada untayi ante main part of the table lo untayi. That main part of the table is called body. Main part of the table is called body. That's why answer is body. Correct option is D. Next, bit number 23. So calculate here we calculate frequency density. Sir, what is the formula for frequency density? The formula for frequency density is class frequency divided by its class length f by c, or you can write either f by h also. So here we calculate the frequency density for the class 11 to 15. So 11 to 15 class frequency is 5, its class length is also 5. That's why frequency density is 5 by 5, its value is 1. So answer is 1, correct option is C. The formula for frequency density is what? Class frequency divided by class length. The next one, 24th, the measure of central tendency is based on all observations of a variable. Sir, which measure of central tendency is based on all observations? Mathematical averages like arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. These three are based on all observations. Among these three, they given only mean. Median, mode are not based on all observations. But variance is based on all observations, but variance is not a measure of central tendency. Variance is a measure of dispersion. That's why answer is mean. Next one, the geometric mean of the numbers 4, 6, 9. They given 3 numbers. For 3 numbers, geometric mean formula is 4 into 6 into 9 whole to the power 1 by 3. 4 into 6 into 9 means 216 whole to the power 1 by 3. 216 means 6 cube, perfect cube, whole to the power 1 by 3. Here 3 cancel, then geometric mean is 6. Then correct option is A. Answer is 6. Next one, bit number 26. Find the mode of the following frequency distribution. The given discrete frequency data. So for discrete frequency data, how to calculate mode? So mode is the value of x corresponding to highest frequency. Take the highest frequency, that highest frequency corresponding x is mode. Your highest frequency is 9, that 9 corresponding x is 10. That's why mode is 10. Correct option is A. Next, bit number 27, it is also based on geometric mean. 3 numbers are given. Formula is a into b into c whole to the power 1 by 3. Here 1 by 4 into 1 by 8 into 1 by 16 whole to the power 1 by 3. Its product is 512. 1 by 512 whole to the power 1 by 3. If you simplify this one, then we get geometric mean is 1 by 8. Then correct option is D. Next one, continuous series median find out cheyali. For continuous series median formula is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by small f into C. This is continuous series median formula. Sir, ఈ డేటాకి మీరు ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేసి మీడియన్ వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే we get that median value is 20.71. Then correct option is B. Next, bit number 29, based on standard deviation. The standard deviation formula is root over summation x square by n minus summation x by n whole square. This is the formula for standard deviation. Here summation x square value is given, n value is given, summation x is also given. Now substitute all these values in this formula, and if you simplify, then we get standard deviation is 5. So for this data, standard deviation is 5. Correct option is D. The next one is coefficient of variation. So the formula for coefficient of variation is standard deviation by arithmetic mean into 100. Here coefficient of variation is given 20, standard deviation is sigma, arithmetic mean is 5 into 100. So 5 ones, so 5 20s, 20 20 cancel, then standard deviation is 1. If standard deviation is 1, then variance is also 1. So correct option is C. Answer is 1. Next one, the mean deviation about 4 of the following numbers. So the numbers given like 0, 9, 5 and 6. And mean deviation about 4 value is given. So how to calculate mean deviation, sir? The modulus of 0 minus 4 plus modulus of 9 minus 4 plus modulus of 5 minus 4 plus modulus of 6 minus 4. We get modulus of x minus 4 values. After that, you sum all those values. We get the total is 12. The total value divided by number of observations 4. 12 by 4 is 3. Then mean deviation is 3. Next one, the relationship between two variables is represented by. The relationship between two variables are represented by in scatter diagram. For example, if you take two variables x and y, in abscissa you take x values, one variable, and ordinate you take second variable y. If you plot the given values in scatter diagram, suppose if the plotted points are in like this, then we say that x and y are perfectly positively correlated. If the plotted points are in like this, then we say that x and y are perfectly negatively correlated variables. And if all the plotted points are very closer to straight line unte, then we say that x and y are high degree positively correlated. అలా మనం x and y వేరియబుల్స్ మధ్య ఉన్నటువంటి రిలేషన్షిప్ని మనం స్కాటర్ డయాగ్రామ్ ద్వారా ప్రజెంటేషన్ చేస్తాం. దట్స్ వై ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ స్కాటర్ డయాగ్రామ్. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ నెంబర్ 33. దిస్ ఇస్ కార్ల్ పియర్సన్ సెకండ్ ఫార్ములా. డీవియేషన్స్ ఆర్ టేకెన్ ఫ్రమ్ అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్. That formula is summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by root over summation x minus x bar whole square into root over summation y minus y bar whole square. So here the numerator is 60, denominator root 90 into root 62.5. If you simplify this one, then we get R value is 0.80. Then correct option is B. Next one, correlation. Which of the following statement is false? So option A is fundamental property. This is true. Option A is true. This is true. The correlation coefficient R is the geometric mean of two regression coefficients. Option A is true. And option B is correlation coefficient R is in scale, both are independent. So option B is also true. Option C, in perfect correlation, the two variables, in perfect correlation, the correlation coefficient between, or if x and y are related by y is equal to a plus bx లో b value greater than 0 ఉంటే r is plus 1, b less than 0 ఉంటే r minus 1. అంటే in perfect correlation, a perfect linear correlation, the values of r you may get either minus 1 plus 1 only. This is also true. But option D is false statement. Correlation coefficient is unitary measure. It is independent of units, but they given dependent. That's why option D is false. Then what is your answer? Here the false statement is option D only. Then your answer is option D. The next one, 35th one, based on rank correlation. The formula for rank correlation is 1 minus 6 into summation d square divided by n into n square minus 1. They given two ranks. If you calculate first d like RA minus RY, later you calculate d square, and after that you sum it, then we get summation d square. Here we got summation d square is 2. So 1 minus 6 into 2 divided by 60. If you simplify this one, then we get rank correlation value is 0.8. So option C is correct. The next one is the problem number 36. This is also regression. Here we use this formula, y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. Here all the values are given, like x bar value, y bar value, r value, sigma y value, sigma x values ఇచ్చాడు. ఆ వాల్యూస్ అనే ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి మీరు సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మీకు ఆప్షన్ డి అనేది వస్తుందండి. లైక్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0.8x ప్లస్ 12. సో ఆప్షన్ డి ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. నౌ 37, దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఫండమెంటల్ ప్రాపర్టీ. R is equal to plus or minus root over byx into bxy. The two regression coefficients are given. If you multiply those two, after that we apply the root, then we get R value. Here R value is plus 0.6 only, not plus or minus 0.6. Because here the two regression coefficients are positive, then correlation is also positive by using signature property. టూ రిగ్రెషన్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ పాజిటివ్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి కొరలేషన్ కూడా పాజిటివ్నే ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ ఏం సార్ అంటే 0.6, ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ 38, లిమిట్స్ ఫర్ కొరలేషన్ కోఎఫిషియంట్. ద కొరలేషన్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ లైస్ బిట్వీన్ -1 to +1, including both, including -1 and including +1. So option C is correct. Next 39, probability. The limits for probability are 0 to 1, including both, including 0 and including 1. Next 40, based on coins. Here in based on coins, the formula is NCR by 2 to the power n. Here n is 3 and r is 2, like 3c2 by 2 cube, so 3 by 8. So option A is correct. Next, problem number 41. A die is thrown 2 times in succession. What is the probability of getting sum 7? Sum 7 means here we use the formula r minus 1. Here r is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6. Option B is correct. Next one, based on balls. A bag contains 6 white and 4 white and 6 black balls. Total number of balls 10. And 2 balls are drawn. 2 balls are drawn means 10c2. And what is the probability that drawn 2 balls are white? White means 4c2. So 4c2 means 6, 10c2. So if you calculate 10c2 value, so 10c2 is 45. 6 by 45. 6 by 45 means 2 by 15. Option A is correct. Next 31, the probability of occurrence of at least one of the events A and B. At least one of the events means P of A union B, or it can be written as P of A plus B. That's why option B is correct. Next, a card is drawn randomly from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that either red or king, red means 26 red cards, king 4, intersection cards is 2, divided by 52. So 28 divided by 52. 28 divided by 52, if you simplify this one, 7 by 13, then option D is correct. Next, problem number 45, conditional probability, probability of B by A. Its formula is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. First, మీరు probability of A intersection B find out చేయండి. That probability of A intersection B we get 1 by 12 divided by 1 by 3. That is 3 by 12, 1 by 4. Option A is correct. Next one, index numbers. In index numbers, simple aggregate index number formula మీద ఒక ప్రాబ్లం అడిగాడు. Simple aggregate index number formula is summation P1 divided by summation P0 into 100. Here sum of current period prices is 290, sum of base period prices is 250 into 100. 290 divided by 250 into 100, we got 116. Then option A is correct. Next, 47, this is last price index number. The formula for last price index number is summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. So 1900 divided by 1360 into 100, its value 139.7. Then option B is correct. Next, 48 based on time series. In time series, total we have 3 mathematical models: additive model, multiplication model, and mixed model. Here the given one is multiplication model. Here the multiplication model is T into S into C into I. Trend into seasonal variations into cyclical variations into irregular variations. So option C is correct. Next, 49, moving averages question. So the given data, years, values, and moving averages. The given years are 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. The given values are 2011 value is given 17. 12, 13, 14 values are not given. సో వాల్యూస్ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి వాటిని ఎక్స్ వై జెడ్ అనుకుంటున్నాం. బట్ 2012 మూవింగ్ యావరేజెస్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ గివెన్, దట్ ఈస్ 23 అండ్ 2013 33. సరే, ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? 2014 వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. సార్, హౌ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ దిస్ వాల్యూ సార్? సో ఫస్ట్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తామంటే, ఫస్ట్ 3 ఇయర్స్ మూవింగ్ యావరేజెస్ కనుక్కోండి. లైక్ 17 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై డివైడెడ్ బై 3 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 23. సో 3 ఇయర్లీ మూవింగ్ యావరేజెస్ అగెన్స్ట్ ఇయర్కి రాస్తాము, మిడిల్ ఇయర్కి దట్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ గివెన్ 23. సో 23 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 17 plus x plus y divided by 3. If you simplify this one, we get x plus y value, that is 69 minus 17. We get 52. Next 3 years moving averages తీసుకోండి. XYZ అంటే ఏం రాస్తామండి? x plus y plus z divided by 3 is equal to 33. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై ప్లేస్లో ఈ 52 వాల్యూ రాయండి. అంటే 52 ప్లస్ జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 99. దెన్ జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 47. దెన్ కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ ఏ. దెన్ లాస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ simple average of price relatives using arithmetic mean. Simple average of price relatives using arithmetic mean formula is summation p divided by n, or it can be written as summation of p1 by p0 into 100 divided by n. For each commodity, first you calculate p value, like that p1 value 25 by 20 into 100, 30 by 30 into 100, 15 by 10 into 100. Like that you calculate up to last commodity some q values. After that you calculate its total value divided by number of commodities. We get 122.92. Then correct option is B. Okay నండి, రైట్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇచ్చిందంతా 100% కరెక్ట్ కీ అండి, అందులో ఎటువంటి డౌట్ ఏం లేదు. సో కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు కీ చెక్ చేసుకోండి అండి. రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.